Oh, he's smelling them. I'm taking video, Mom, so you can see. He doesn't know what to do. He's walking around, spraying everywhere. Yeah. Where's Mama Cat? You don't know. Oh! Pimp's smelling Mama Cat. He's like, are these my babies? He just poked her head through. He's following her. What does that mean? She can't be in heat, can she? He's like chasing her. That's weird. Oh, he's like missing a part of his face. He's missing a part of his face. He got bit by something. What? He just chased her away. Like he's like following her everywhere. Why does she leave them? See, I can go grab them right now. Should I go try and touch them? Or do you think that would just really stress her out? They're just sitting there by each other. Mom, do you think she'd really stress out if I walked outside? Pimp's like following her around everywhere, so she like went around the corner. Do you think she'd really stress out if she heard the door open? Like, am I gonna like kill her? Oh, my camera's about to die. And there it goes.